The lettuce harvester is a self-propelled machine that cuts lettuce to the correct height. The project is split into two components, the main machine frame and the auto-leveling cutting head. This animation will focus on the auto-leveling head, which is situated in the front of the machine. The backbone of the cutting head system is the main cutting frame. It is made of 2-inch square tubing and mounts to the front of the harvesting machine. Rails are bolted onto the steel tubing, allowing ball-bearing carriages to ride up and down the rail, producing vertical motion. By adding a hydraulic cylinder between the two frames, we now have vertical motion. The cylinder is powered by the hydraulic system, which is made up of an internal combustion engine powering a hydraulic pump. A steel sheet rests on the top of the cutting frame to bridge the gap between the cutting head and the rest of the machine. A paddle wheel is used to help lift the lettuce off the ground and onto the conveyor belt. The paddle wheel is powered by an electric motor and gearbox and is set to rotate at the same speed as the harvester's straight line speed. Next comes the cutting assembly. An electric motor is attached to a reciprocating drive, which pushes a connecting rod back and forth at about 3,000 RPM. This connecting rod attaches to a blade which rides on carriages. Finally, gauge wheel assembly is fitted to the front. The onboard Danfoss microcontroller uses the reading from the sensor to determine how high the cutting head should be. If a bed gets taller, the gauge wheel is lifted up. The microcontroller then opens up a solenoid valve that actuates the cylinder, raising the cutting head until the original angle is restored. The entire cutting head fits neatly onto the frame of the harvester. It is secured using 4 square U-bolts. This allows the cutting head to be easily removed. This pretty much concludes the animation. Thank you for watching.